Hey, have you lost your mind? Here's some things that I've seen through the lens of an experienced divorce lawyer where I'm thinking, that person's lost their mind. Stay tuned, you might learn something on The Practical Divorce Lawyer. Hey everybody, in case you're new here, I'm Jonathan Noble, divorce and family law attorney, licensed in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, the Garden State. And I want to go over some things that I've seen in recent months where I'm asking the other person, have you lost your mind? Number one, if you think that you're going to be able to whiteboard your way out of a bad marriage by logically explaining to the other person that their behavior is unacceptable and it must change in order for the marriage to endure and get better, you've lost your mind. I've never seen that work. And if you think you can whiteboard to somebody, hey, you did X when you should have done Y, or when you do Z, it throws a wrench into our relationship, and you really think that they are at the core going to change, you've lost your mind. You better go look for it. Number two, you think that the person who you're going to marry is going to somehow change after the wedding. Oh, once we get married and we live together, they're going to be more considerate of me. Or they're going to really understand that I need to spend every Thursday night playing poker with my friends. Or fill in the blank. If you think that that wedding day is going to somehow create an epiphany in your now spouse, you've lost your mind. Better go look for it, because it's not in your head. Number three, once we get married, their family will no longer interfere with our private lives. They won't tell us where to go on vacation or what to do. They won't try to come over to our home when we're away and rearrange our furniture anymore. They're not going to get thoughts into my spouse's head about what I am or am not doing. If you think that wedding is going to push away or create boundaries in and of itself without your spouse creating firm boundaries, that's right, you've lost your mind. Never works that way. You know what? When people show you who they are, especially before the wedding or during the courtship phase, usually after the honeymoon phase, before things take a different shape, whether or not you're thinking about getting married. But when they show you who they are, you should believe them. I'm not the first person to say this. Don't be stupid. Don't be walking around with blinders, okay? Share this video with somebody walking around blind who needs to see it, because what? They probably lost their mind, and they believe in fairy tales, and they watch the Hallmark Channel. Yeah, where everybody lives happily ever after. What's the purpose of this video? It's to keep you out of my office and keep you out of divorce court and keep your cortisol low, all right? You don't need the stress of being in a relationship or marrying someone that's not good for your health, not good for your mental health or physical health, all right? I want you to level up. Be careful out there.